Hello everybody, welcome to our food forest. It's a special edition today. Not sure how special it's going to be for our forest though. A little bit of a concern. The storm Floris has hit us, or is beginning to hit us, and there's quite a bit of wind here. The problem this time of year is the number of leaves that are on the trees. The forest really is at its peak in terms of leaf production and the amount of light that we're getting at the moment, really long days, although they're shortening now. We're getting to August. So we thought we'd show you just a little bit about what's happening in the forest during a storm, taking some precaution obviously. Most of the trees that we have here aren't of a size that they could flatten me. But do be careful wherever you are in a storm like this one. We're expecting 70 or 80 mile an hour winds today, so we'll go and have a look in the forest and see what's happening. As you can see, there's quite a bit of tree movement already, so I'm going to have a look just in this first little room that we created for the blueberries and roses, and it's not too bad in here at the moment. So blueberries are coming on here, and there's a little bit of movement in here, but so rose bush is moving a little bit. Are being protected to some extent. So let's try and wander into the forest a little bit further. You can see over there, that's the west side, and that's where a lot of the winds are coming from, sort of turning from south, southwest, maybe almost westerly now. So you'll see there's a gap going through there, so we'll see how that holds up. Something we might have to fill in at a later stage. Certainly notice a bit of bird consternation, so there's plenty of activity. I'm not surprised, really. There seems to be a gap. I can see that the wind comes at a certain angle. Behind us here there's a gap that takes us out onto the road that runs parallel to our land. So we're going to do something with that in the future. kind of leaf debris on the ground. Just hoping we don't lose apples, plums that have been growing for some time now, and the pears. Some of them are quite well hidden, so hopefully we should be okay. So with small apple trees, you can see there's plenty of protection from the side the wind is coming. At the moment, not suffering too much. First victim, unfortunately, of this wind. We've got a willow that's fell down in amongst black currants. And it's like it's actually snapped down at the base. So there's a pathway here now that's partially blocked. Black currant's still growing in here. So we're going to have to do something about that. It's actually not on the worst side where the wind is coming from. I'm noticing that the rain is starting to fall a bit now, so I'm expecting the worst of the storm is beginning to come towards us. Okay, so it's the evening now. Well, it's early evening, about 5-6 o'clock, and things have heated up a little bit since I last spoke to you. There's 1 or 2 trees come down. Let's have a look around. Lots of leaf debris everywhere. These trees are almost bending in two now. Pretty violent now. Well, we're still here, just checking on the fruit in the centre of the garden. Fruit's still on the trees. I hope those plums are still here by the time we've finished. Such a damaging time this for the trees because they're all in full leaf. It won't just be the wind that affects them, it's going to be the rain. apple's still on the trees. Just barely. The plums are still on. This is pretty extreme. It's a willow down in the centre of the garden. Oh dear. It's probably our tallest tree. Down low, it's not too bad. That high up, it's getting the full strength of the wind. And let's come down. Another tree down as well. Unfortunately, the other highest part of that tree has just broken down as well, just missed it. The camera went off for a minute with the intensity of the rain. So yeah, that whole tree has come down. It's in the centre of our garden. It's not unexpected. It's a shame though. This is the intensity you get in the winter, and there are no leaves. sun's still clinging on. Blueberries survived.